In a hair-raising incident, Jake Paul's 30 million pound private jet is struck by lightning as he flies away from Mike Tyson press conference. Jake Paul's private jet was tormented by lightning as he flew home from his New York press conference ahead of fighting Mike Tyson in July. Jake Paul shared a video of his plane, shaking violently as electrical discharge crackled outside. Surrounded by his friends and holding his golden retriever Thor, he chose not to speak with God, but made a plea to an ancient Greek idol.
We woke up the gods of war. There's lightning on the plane, brother. Zeus, I love you. Zeus, I love you, brother.
Click here to watch the full video and stay up to date with today's all the trending stories.